Everyone, I'm Derek. I am a high school senior electrical student at West-MEC Southwest campus. Today I'll be showing you how to safely remove an outlet and replace it with a new one the right way. Before getting started, always remember safety first. If you're unsure about electrical work, always call a professional first. To get started, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, replacement outlet, and a voltage tester. Start by turning off the electricity to your outlet in your breaker box. Back at the outlet, confirm there is no electricity by plugging in a voltage tester. Use a flathead screwdriver to take off the faceplate, remove the mounting screws. On most outlets, you'll see 3 wires. The black wire is the live wire, on the other side is the white neutral wire, and a copper wire connected to the green screw. The ground wire is what dissipates excess electricity safely. Use your screwdriver to unfasten the wires and remove them from the old outlet. Next, make sure to put the wires on exactly the same connectors on the new outlet. Screw down the connectors and the mounting screws. Finally, put the faceplate back on, turn the outlet back on at the breaker box, and check it with your voltage tester. To learn skills like this and more, visit westmec.edu for information about our CTE programs.